Cyn Lewis, hwn di cael argraff ar gemer Seintiau yn ddiweddar fel gyma Brobl allan at Aaron Edwards! Wedi dim ond 7 o funudau, mae'r Seintiau ar y blaen, unfed gol ar 10 y tymor i Aaron Edwards, a'i croesiad oedd hwnna fod. Siŵr fydd Edwards yn anghytuno. Edward at Jamie Mullen. 5 munud i fynd hanner egwyl. Mullen yn mentro i fewn i'r cwrt. Mullen yn troi nôl. Bale fewn at Edwards yn ei gosod i. Ryan Brobl yn dyblu'r fantais i'r Seintiau. 15fed gol y tymor i Ryan Brobl. A'r Seintiau 2 ddim ar y blaen. Redmond ar arwydd. Pêl Beryglis, Hudson ar peniad, oedd hi ar y postyn, a Greg Draper i gefn y rhwyd. Ail gol ar hugen i brif sgoriwr y cyngrair. Dyna'r cyfanswm y gafodd o llynedd i ennill yr esgid aur. Routledge yn rhyddhau Mullen. Mullen mor fywiog, mor Beryglis i'r Seintiau. Y bas yn ôl at Edwards. Edwards a Greg Draper yn cael ei lorio gan Sam Barnes ac mae'n gic o'r smotyn. Pas hyfryd i gyfeiriad Edwards a Barnes oedd mi oedd hi'n drosedd. Draper felly am ei ail a Dave Jones yn arbed. Doedd hi ddim yn gic orau gan Draper syth lawr y canol a'r blaenwr yn methu ychwanegu at i gyfanswm tymor yma. Jones mae'n gic fler ond y bêl gan Joe Kenton. Kenton wedyn yn colli'r meddiant gwaith da gan Aaron Edwards a dyma Jamie Mullen yn dod unwaith eto. Kenton rhaid o wylio bod o'n mynd i faglu fo. Mullen heibio i ddau a Greg Draper yn sgorio i ail. Wel, mae'r bêl fel magnet tuag at Draper yn y cwrt bach. Nid lwc ydi bod o'n y lle iawn ar yr amser iawn o hyd. Mae ganddo fo'r greddf naturiol na i sgorio. Brobl di gweld bod Sislovic mewn aceri o le ar y dde. Kenton sydd o'i flaen o. Kenton wedi cael pnawn anodd heddiw yma. Sislovic tu fewn. Mae Byrne yn rhydd yn y cwrt. Un cyffyrddiad ar ail i gefn y rhwyd. 10fed gol y tymor i Curtis Byrne. Y Seintiau'n gwbl ddi-gyfaddawd pnawn yma. Maen nhw'n gwybod fod y bencampwriaeth o fewn i gafel. Tom Holland. Draper yn ei gosod i Sislovic. Pas hyfryd ar y cynnig cyntaf, rhyddhau Brobl. Mae Draper yn sgrechian amdani. A'i hon fydd y chweched. Mae'n hat-trick i Greg Draper. A mae'r Seintiau wedi sgorio 13 o goliau mewn 4 diwrnod. Mwy na mae'r Drenewydd wedi sgorio yn 2019. Am bas oedd honna gan Sislovic. A Brobl ni roi ti ar blat i'r gŵr sy'n methu stopio sgorio.
You know, you look at the game today after last night, and you know, obviously one of the things we said was make sure that you get 3 points. Otherwise, last night's result doesn't mean anything. It's one where you don't want to fall short and let Newtown take anything off us today. And I thought we were a very good first half. A little bit sloppy at the start of the second half, but as soon as you got that third, we were excellent.
It's almost felt like pre-season for us. We haven't played for 3 weeks. You know, I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. You know, from an organisation, logistical point of view, you know, them the first game back, we've got to come into against a full-time team. You know, it was a big ask. You know, you can see today we were a little bit we weren't as sharp as we were. You know, a month ago, and that's a big ask for part-time players to come up against, you know, a well-drilled full-time team. And you know, I know. Obviously, the game had to come forward because Connors came down Brew, and then partly some of it our fault because we went in the Welsh Cup semi-final. But you know, I think to go 3 weeks at this stage of the season without a game is very difficult.
Still a little bit annoyed at the moment. I missed the penalty, so I could have been one more ahead. But never mind. I'll get over that, and then yeah, nice to score a hat-trick. But obviously, all we wanted today was 3 points, and I think that's 7 points clear now. So I win next week, and that's the league. So that's all we'll be thinking about now.
We need 3 more points, and then we can obviously celebrate and whatever, but no, you need to do it to the end. You need to be professional and train properly and make sure that next week's game is a big one as well, away at Barry, and they always give us a good test, don't they? So until it's not done, you just be as professional as you can.